Nestled in the Himalayas, Karsog Valley unfolds in every direction, a living canvas of nature's grandeur. To the north, rugged peaks stand guard, their slopes cloaked in evergreen forests that melt into mist. Swivel east, and endless terraced fields stripe the hillsides, farmers' masterpieces where wheat sways and apple orchards bloom in seasons of plenty. Facing south, the valley stretches wide, a quilt of gold and green as crops ripple in the mountain breeze. And to the west, rolling meadows meet distant ridges, where sunlight paints the grasslands in warm golden hues. No matter where you look, Karsok's soul lies in its simplicity: vast skies, boundless fields, and the quiet rhythm of life in harmony with the earth, a panoramic paradise forever untamed.